Welcome back to Review and Adventure Hub. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly, powerful hand mixer, the Anex AG-392. Whether you're just starting your baking journey or want something simple and effective, this 250W mixer claims to make your prep fast and easy. Stick around as we unbox, test, and review this appliance. Plus, I'll show you a quick cake batter demo using 5 eggs, flour, oil, sugar, and milk. Let's begin with the unboxing. The packaging is minimal and compact with basic branding from Anex. 2X stainless steel beater rods. The beater rods are stainless steel, durable, and rust-resistant. What I love is that the beaters are made of stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust or wear even after frequent use. Whether you're mixing soft whipped cream or kneading a thick cake batter, these rods hold up really well. The material is not only durable but also hygienic, which is a huge plus in any kitchen. Anex AG-392 main unit, lightweight, ergonomic handle. User manual, which is especially helpful if you're using an electric hand mixer for the first time. It's clearly written and includes step-by-step instructions on how to assemble, operate, and clean the unit. Warranty card, 2 years. This particular hand mixer comes with a 2-year warranty, which means you're covered in case of any manufacturing defects or unexpected issues during normal use. The card usually contains details like the warranty terms, coverage period, and service center contacts. Everything is well protected. The unit feels quite lightweight, which is great for long mixing sessions. The unit is designed with an ergonomic handle, shaped perfectly to fit your hand for a firm, comfortable grip. It doesn't slip or strain the wrist, even during vigorous mixing or while using the turbo mode. The push button for ejection is right here. We'll see it in action shortly. Turbo button for quick power boosts. This button, great for heavy mixing like dough or thick batters. It doesn't have fancy features, but offers 5 speed settings along with a turbo button for quick power boosts. The handle is ergonomic. The motor runs at 250 watts, and it's suitable for everyday baking and cooking tasks. The outer body has a smooth, matte finish that gives it a clean and modern look, and it's easy to wipe down after use. It's compact enough to store in a small cabinet or drawer, yet sturdy and powerful enough to tackle everything from light whipping to thick cake batters. Whether you're an occasional home baker or someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, this unit strikes the perfect balance between comfort, control, and performance. All right. Now, let's put the mixer together and test it with real ingredients, because the best way to review any kitchen tool is in action. First, let's insert the stainless steel beaters. You'll feel a soft click when they lock into place. No force needed, just a gentle push. I really like how smoothly they slide in. Let's take a look at the beater speed in action. I've attached the stainless steel beaters, and now I'll run to the different speed levels from 1 to 5. Speed 1, nice and slow, perfect for gentle mixing like folding in flour or blending soft ingredients. Speed 2 and 3, medium speeds for regular batters and mixtures. Speed 4 and 5, these speeds really pick up power, great for thicker batters or whipping cream. And now, here's the turbo button. With just one press, you get an instant boost of power, great when you need a quick burst to break up lumps or mix heavier dough. The mixer handles all speeds smoothly, without shaking or making too much noise. It gives good control and consistent performance, whether you're preparing cake batter, beating eggs, or kneading soft dough. The push button for beater ejection is right here, conveniently placed and easy to press. We'll see it in action shortly, but what I love is how effortless it is to remove the beaters with just a single touch. It's a small feature, but it adds a lot to the overall user-friendly design of the mixer. We're starting with 5 eggs, and we'll use the mixer to beat them until they're perfectly smooth and fluffy. The moment you turn on the mixer, you'll notice how powerful the motor feels. 250 watts of consistent mixing performance. I'm starting at speed 1 and gradually increasing as the eggs start to break up. The stainless steel beaters are doing a great job. No splashing, just a smooth rotation. The handle feels lightweight and comfortable, so even if you're mixing for a few minutes, your wrists won't get tired. The beaters are spinning smoothly and efficiently, and I can see the texture changing already. The eggs are getting lighter in color and more airy, which is exactly what we want for baking. Now, I'm adjusting the speed a little higher. Let's go to speed 3, then speed 5. You can feel the boost instantly. This is where the turbo mode can come in handy. A quick burst of high-speed mixing, ideal when you're in a hurry or want extra fluffiness. Look at that consistency. In under 2 minutes, the eggs are well beaten, foamy light, and ready for the next step of the recipe. Whether you're making a cake, pancakes, or even an omelet, this mixer really handles the job without any strain. Now that the eggs are beautifully beaten, let's start adding in the rest of our ingredients. First up, sugar, followed by flour, baking soda, and then I'll add oil and milk gradually. As I mix, you'll notice how the hand mixer blends everything together with ease. The beaters glide right to the mixture, no strain, no stalling. I'm currently using speed 3, which provides just the right amount of control for combining dry ingredients. And now, let's hit the turbo button. Just a quick press, and you can immediately feel that surge in power. That extra boost is perfect for breaking up any remaining lumps or when you're working with thicker textures like cake or bread batter. As I continue blending, the mixture is coming together beautifully. It's smooth, well mixed, and most importantly, there are no visible lumps. I'm really impressed with how even and creamy the batter looks, especially considering this is a budget-friendly model. For everyday baking at home, the Anex AG-392 absolutely holds its ground. Whether it's for cakes, cookies, or even whipping cream, it delivers consistent results. And best of all, the parts are easy to clean afterwards, and the push-button ejection makes removal simple. It's efficient, effective, and makes the baking process feel effortless. The Anex AG-392 Hand Mixer delivers great performance for the price. It's simple, efficient, and ideal for home baking, from whipping cream to cake batters and more. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight mixer with reliable power and turbo speed, this one's a solid option. Thanks for watching today's video on the Anex AG-392 Hand Mixer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Review and Adventure Hub. See you in the next one. Happy baking!